Hey, what's up, KDP sellers? I pause here, and for the past couple of days, I've been talking about the baby boomer niche on Amazon KDP. I've been talking about crosswords and word searches. So I think I'm going to show you how to create one using nothing but free AI and the Manaka royalty puzzle maker. Okay, so let me shrink this down. I'm inside my Bose Pause. You can create a free account and use some of our free tools if you want. BosePause.com. Scroll down to Monica and go to Crossword. We have a bunch of different puzzle makers that you can create books and printables for that you can sell online. Anyways, go to Crossword Generate, click that. Get in here, okay, and in the page section, look at the page section. We're going to go to bulk, right? Bulk. And this is for senior citizens, baby boomers. And so we're going to go with 8.5 by 11, okay? And we have to drop in a file here. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I have this prompt. And if you've seen any of my videos, I've used this prompt so many times. I need a list of answers and hints for my Crosswords Baby Boomer book. It should include answers and hints about the era in American history and culture. Here's a pattern. Hashtag is title, then the problem, pattern, answer, pipe, hint. I want 7 problems per page. Give me a book of 40 pages. Here's an example. Hashtag animals, dog, pipe, man's best friend. Okay, so I'm going to click go, and it's going to create. And I'm using free AI here. As you can see, I'm not a Plus member anymore. I use Claude now for my premium AI for much bigger projects. But this I just wanted to show you. You can use just free AI for this. Okay, and it's gonna I'm gonna open up my notepad, and I'm going to take whatever it gives me once it's done, and I'm gonna dump it in there and upload it to here to create my baby boomer crossword puzzle. Okay, school life, it's taking its sweet time. I'm gonna pause real quick, and once it's done, I'm gonna come right back. Okay, so make sure everything's good, copacetic. I just made a little example here. If you want it, since it's free, you might have to ask it to continue. You can write continue, but this is just for example's sake. Continue. But for example's sake, I'm going to take this list it gave me, following the pattern. You also want to go through it real quick and check it. For example, Woodstock. Now, Woodstock is in the late 60s, but that's fine because baby boomers, lived through that, of course. If they're still alive now, they went through this. This is when they were young, right? So Elvis, king of rock and roll, that makes sense. Okay, vinyl, popular music format, makes sense. Beatles, British band that dominated the 1960s, that makes sense. So you make sure you run through it. And look, it's giving me more, but I'm going to stick with this and get into my notepad. If you have a computer, laptop, Mac, whatever, you have some kind of notepad for free, you just dump it in there. Dump whatever you got from the chat, and you want to name it. Save as baby boomer. I like that, baby boomer. Go back to Monica and go to the bulk section like I showed you, 8.5 by 11. You're gonna go to choose file, go to baby boomer, and generate all 37 pages. Okay, just like that. And it's gonna do it quite quick. It doesn't take too long. So we're at what? We're almost done. Okay, there you go. Boom. Wait, almost boom. Boom. There it is. Okay, this first one is just an example. Get rid of that. Okay, cool. And there you go. It's very simple. Now we got our baby boomer crossword puzzle. I want to add some things. I want a page number right here, right? We want to make sure there's a page number. Center that page number. I also want to add a copyright page. To do that, you just let me show you again. You want to go up here where it says copyright, click on copyright, and then click add, and write in the name of your book, Baby Boomer Crossword Fun. Click OK, and it's going to create a copyright page for you right quick. Well, it's generating. There it is. Okay. And you can see down here, if I blow that up, or maybe I can't blow up this section, but I can just show you different pages here. And in the preview, you see all the solutions, but when you download it as a PDF, the solutions will be in the back, and this will be empty. Okay. You can also change up the grid, margins, and everything. Typography. Let's go. I like this font, Roboto. We can increase the size of the title, increase the size of that right there. Let's go with the grid. Where is the grid? Grid clues, make that big if we want nice and fat like that. Okay, I like that. Actually, I prefer that. I have eyesight problems when it's up close, so that's good for me. I'm 48 at the time making this video, but yeah, that's how it works. Okay, so anyways, I have that issue. So you're gonna make sure that what I should have done, and I messed up really. I should have customized it first, and then let's do it again. Let's generate pages again. I want to do it again so that everything is at the same grid size, right? Really important. So I'm going to do that again. Okay. Like that. Perfect. And then I'm going to click export all, download as a PDF. And that's it. All we got to do now is create our cover. To create your cover, you go back to your Bose Pause account. Go back to your Bose Pause account like that. Go to the top, click launch book cover. Now I've created 1,000 book covers. If you need videos for that, you can go to my YouTube channel, go to my channel and just search for book covers and I'll show you how to use this. Very simple, very easy. But this is a very important step. This is your free advertisement for your book, whatever type of book. That's your foot in the door. I can't stress how important that is, okay? So there you go, very simple. Sorry, it's a little bit longer than usual, 7-minute video, but let me show you that book real quick. Let me show you that book. There you go. Got our copyright. You see that it's empty, but in the back, we got all the solutions, right? Okay. Very simple. Anyone can do this. Let me know your thoughts. I'll have a link to this if you don't have it yet. Let me know what you're building if you found a cool niche. Don't reveal your niche. That's one thing about Amazon KDP. It's easy to overtake someone with great rankings, right? So that's the beauty. There are so many niches and so many ways to expand on a niche. So like the other day, I found this niche, baby boomer crosswords, but I also found baby boomer word search, right? So there's so many ways to get into a market per se, right? So there you go. Here I am talking too much. The point of the matter is it's simple. Anyone can do it. Lots of people are doing it. Lots of Bose Pause members are earning online with these types of print-on-demand products. See you inside and have a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That's always appreciated. Be good.